Hello and welcome to video number 2 of how to make Karaoke CD+G discs. In this installation we're going to show you how to get lyrics for the CD+G disc you're going to create off of the internet. This part of the process is pretty straightforward. We're going to be using our friend Google to find lyrics, and we're going to be pasting them to a notepad so we can manipulate them and kind of edit them to work with our song. So we're just going to go into Google, into our search bar, and type in lyrics. And you'll see that a bunch of choices come up. Now, look at these different sites, pick whichever ones you want to, whichever one you'd like to use. However, I found that for the majority of the songs that I've looked for lyrics for, AZ Lyrics is probably one of the best. It's very accurate with their lyrics and works well. Makes it easy to copy and manipulate. And go to their site, type in what you're looking for. Now once my lyrics appear on the screen, I can simply copy and paste them. So I'm going to go to the top, hold down my left mouse button or keypad button, and while holding that button, simply drag the cursor down until everything is highlighted. At the end of the lyrics, when they're highlighted, you let up on your left button, go into the blue, you can right click and copy, or you can hit your Control C button. Then you can go to your notepad, open it up, and you can right click and paste, or you can hit Control and press the letter V. It'll copy it to your notepad. And there we have it. Okay, now once you've got your lyrics and your notepad, you can get out of your Google. Okay, now, and this is probably a pretty crucial step here, we're going to have to manipulate these lyrics a little bit. We're going to have to kind of space them out so they fit into our CD+G player. So what I find helpful to do is actually grab a copy of the original song and listen to it while you're actually doing your lyric editing. As you see, I grabbed a copy of the original song with the lyrics in it. So I'm just going to pop that in there. Turn the volume down a little bit. What I'm looking for here is the spacing, how much time is going in the lead-in of the song, things of that you're going to need when you get to the final editing portion of it. Also, in this particular song, when I get to a certain part of the chorus, this part down here gets repeated 8 times at the end of this song. Well, here you're only going to see it repeated twice, so you have to kind of add that in as you go along. That's why it's helpful to grab a copy and listen to the original. Also, if there's a break in the middle, some type of instrumental break, you'd want to kind of type that in, instrumental break or whatever, because you're going to have to time that and install that into your CD+G disc that you're going to create, along with some type of graphics and counting down. So the editing process will be a little more difficult. This is pretty easy. I know that you can only fit so many words on a karaoke screen at a time, so what we're going to do is we're going to space them out a little bit. And I'm not going to torture you with making you watch me edit the whole thing, but you'll see the finished product in just a moment here. Okay, a little time-lapse video there. Now you'll see that we've got it all edited and spaced, kind of the way you're going to sing it, and this doesn't have any instrumental break in the middle of the song. However, as I mentioned moments before, this last portion does get repeated, so I've had to copy, paste, copy, paste, copy, paste. Okay, that's all ready. Now you're going to basically just file it and save it. Now that most of our prep work is done, we can move on to going into our Karaoke CDG program and creating a CDG disc that you can use in your karaoke machine or on your laptop or in any kind of professional DJ type of software. So let's move on to video 3, how to make the CDG file.